Good morning. Time once again to load up the truck, the trailer, and hit the road to head to the 6th and final stop on the tour of PA meet and greet rides. We are heading back to Rock Run, which if you remember, the very first meet and greet run we held last fall was at Rock Run. It was wet, it was cold, it was a little bit miserable, but we still had a blast, and it was definitely worth coming back to Rock Run in nicer weather to explore some more trails. I had hoped on taking the 500 today and then the X4 on Saturday. Really hoping that this would be the break-in ride for the long travel on the 500, but as you guys can see, she's still sitting in the carport. Need a couple little things to finish up. So we got the X4 loaded up here. Again, we'll just have to take it both days. My riding companion for today is going to be my lovely, beautiful, and talented wife. Hopefully we'll get some good footage today. Meet up with some fellow riding enthusiasts and have a good time on the trail. This way for you.
You gonna run me over? Way to go. Now we have a special guest joining us today. She is famous, she is rich, and she is royalty. We have Cinderella wearing a mermaid fin.
Ah, Mermaid Ella?
Mermaid Ella? No.
Cindermaid? Cindermaid?
Cinderella.
Cinderella. Okay.
Like Ariel
Like Ariel.
and Cinderella together. She's joining us today.
Alright guys, we're getting ready to head out on the 6th and final tour of PA meet and greet ride stop here at Rock Run.
Day number 1.
Day number 1, Friday. We got all our cameras rolling, machines are running, we're recording. Smiles are beaming, and we're ready to go. Get the nice scenic view. Much better than the last time when it was raining and cloudy and foggy, and much better view.
Who was with you on that trip?
Eileen was riding with me. Seth had the 500 all to himself. This way. Go this way. I was never down here in this part before. It's pretty nice. Time to open her up. I doubt those guys will probably go this fast. Nah, they're just kind of cruising.
that.
You guys know me. I couldn't leave for the day unless I tried to at least jump the X4 once somewhere. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little bit of our coverage of Friday's meet and greet ride here at Rock Run, just kind of a little leisurely ride. Now for the second day, which will be the next video from Rock Run, we do get into a lot more fast-paced riding, getting into some good-sized water holes, so a little bit more exciting. I hope you guys come back to watch that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and until next time, keep on riding.